Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Sparklines in Google Sheets step by step. Sparklines are small charts that fit inside a single cell and help you quickly visualize trends in your data without creating a full-size chart. So let's get started. First, open Google Sheets on your computer and open the spreadsheet that contains your data. For this example, I have monthly sales data arranged across several columns. Next, click on the empty cell where you want the Sparkline chart to appear. Now, click on the formula bar at the top of the spreadsheet. Type equals Sparkline followed by an opening parenthesis. After that, select the range containing your data. For example, if your values are in cells A2 through F2, enter equals Sparkline A2 through F2. Make sure you select multiple cells because Sparklines require at least 2 data points to create a chart. Once you've entered the formula, close the parentheses and press Enter. Google Sheets will instantly generate a mini chart inside the selected cell. This Sparkline provides a quick visual summary of your data and makes it easy to spot trends, increases, decreases, and overall performance. If the Sparkline appears too small, you can increase the column width or row height to make it easier to view. You can also copy the formula to other rows if you want to create Sparklines for additional datasets. This is especially useful when building dashboards, reports, sales trackers, or performance summaries. And that's it. You've successfully created a Sparkline in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tips and productivity tutorials. See you in the next video.